All right. It's been a long morning. I did not sleep very well last night, so I slept in. Well, I woke up to feed all the animals and then I slept in. So there's a lot to do today. Orders. I'm going to go on a Michael's run so that I can finish doing the outside of the house. And I can finish doing the tree because we're going to do some ribbon. Because right now it just looks so sad and plain. The two girls are outside hanging out. But they don't like to hang out outside for long, like by themselves. If I'm out there with them, then they love it. If I'm not, then they want to come back inside. So, always pop in a squat. I don't know if I don't think you saw that. Okay, so and then I have to edit and post 2 different Vlogmas videos today. So it's gonna be a busy day. As much as I've enjoyed Vlogmas, I'm really excited for it to be almost over. And then this shop is also closed now, so I'm quite relieved. There's only so much a person can do, and I'm ready to just focus on the patron rewards and try to relax for a little bit. Maybe, fingers crossed. Okay, so I have the video uploading. I've been listening to the new Taylor Swift album. I've been working on orders, as you can see. And now I need to go to, what's the place? Michael's, because I need to get more stuff. Oh, hey, look, trash. Just like the rest of my office. All of this needs to go downstairs and get taken during the recycling. I'm pretty sure 99% of this is all recycling. I just have to separate it out a little bit. So, yeah, fun times. And I really, really hope that this weekend is the time to do both the, what's this called? Wallpaper, and to do the rest of the desk. So those are my 2 goals for this weekend. Will they happen? Probably not. So we'll see. We'll see, right, May? Right, May? They always lay right in the position. Oh, yes. Hello, boy. So that they can get some heat from that vent. They're so cute. Okay. All right. Time for a Michael's run. Does anyone else feel like they have no sense of time anymore? I was like, oh, I'll go run to all the places. But then I realized it was Saturday, not Friday, for whatever reason. So, of course, everything is packed. And I don't want to do that when everything is packed. Usually I go on Fridays because it's my day off, but most people are still working or working from home. So I can usually stop by a whole bunch of places on a Friday, but all of my time is just like all out there. Oh my God, and my hair is all out there too. So I don't know. I'm going to go back home. I'm going to do a Peloton ride. I'm going to do more orders. I just dropped a whole bunch off at the post office. So I'm going to do a whole bunch more orders. And then I think I'm going to go to like the grocery store. I was going to stop here, but this grocery store is always a madhouse on Saturdays. And it's like, I don't know, 1 o'clock. I just can't get over how my hair is all over the place. It's like, it might be 2 o'clock. I don't know. It's like 2 o'clock. So it's going to be crazy. I don't want to deal with that. So I'm just going to go by my grocery store by my house because it's a little bit less crazy. So that's the plan. I also got more stuff to decorate the outside of my house. So at some point I will also do that. Okay, so I added ribbon to the tree and I'm really happy with how it turned out. So this needs to be down a little bit, I think. Just a little bit. I think that there's a pretty good balance. I think this area will probably have a lot of ornaments. That area probably not so much. So, I don't know. We'll figure it out with the ornaments. Isn't that right, Max? Isn't that right? Yes, we will. Why are you on top of my couch? Malia. What the hell? What are you doing? Oh no, you dropped your bone, didn't you? Of freaking course you did. Okay, hold. I'll get it for you. Can you just let me get it for you? This is what she wants. No, not on top of the couch. Okay, goodbye. And moving on to day 13. It's getting harder to open these for some reason. Okay, I'm gonna pop out from the... Why am I so bad at this? Okay. Oh, because there's like multiple. Okay. Okay. For day 13, we have another Dumbledore. Hello, Dumbledore. This was the first Dumbledore. And this is like... Oh, from the first movie, because he's having Harry, and this is, what, the Yule Ball version? Yeah, I think so, because the dress robes. I'm fine with more Dumbledores.